Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 24th, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on the garden trough here. I'm actually going to be harvesting this again today. I have some kale and the lettuce down here. It's ready to be harvested again. And now this is one of my cherry bell radishes here, and it is going to seed. So I'm going to actually let this one go to seed, and I'll show you then how to collect the seeds off of your radish plants. And you can see some radishes back here. I have some more of those I'll be pulling as well. And my spinach, it did go to seed. I tried something different with it. I cut the tops off to see if it would grow back the leaves without going to seed. It didn't do that. So I'm probably going to be taking the spinach out and planting something else in it. Might do some more rows of lettuce. I'm not 100% sure yet. I did reseed some of the spinach. It is coming up. So that should give me some new plants. One thing that I do refrigerate all of my seeds, like for my lettuce, my spinach, kale. I take the seed packs, I put them in Ziploc bags, and I keep them in the refrigerator. And then even if it's warm outside, when I plant them, they still should come up because they had that cold and then they got warm. So it should trigger them to start coming up for me. So back here is the butter crunch lettuce. And then we have the loose leaf lettuce mix here. And again, I'm still going to be harvesting the outside leaves of my lettuce plants. And this will be the third picking then that I got off of this. And I'm looking at the carrots here to see if I see any bases of any of them that I can show you. I don't see any right now. But you can see how much the carrots grew. So I will be checking my book to see when I fed this last, to see when it needs fed again, and I'll feed it after I harvest it. On the lettuce, I use the Eco Scraps all-purpose plant food. It's a 5-5-5 mix. It's organic, and I also use Sea Magic. And then on my radishes, I use the same Eco Scraps food, the Sea Magic, and I also use some bone meal on those, because bone meal has phosphorus in it, so it helps to feed the root systems as well. And I do the same thing with my carrots. So the kale and the kale will get fed with the Eco Scraps food as well. I'll put links down below for all the different products that I talked about, so you can check those out if you want to. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.